Hello friends, warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Ajay T. Joseph here. In this video, I am particularly focusing on for the students of Arunachal State PCS who are going to write prelims this year. For last quite a few years, I was there in Arunachal teaching students, guiding them for their state PCS exam. And in last PCS, fortunately, around 27 of our students cleared. They were in the final list. And since I took the optional for history, 3 of my students have cleared the history cleared APCS with the history optional, and the rank 8 was also my student. So in that respect, what you can say is like I am here to just give you a brief idea about what is the strategy that you have to follow when it comes to the state PCS there in Arunachal. And most importantly, I also wish you to understand some of the important books that you need to refer, particularly with respect to the Arunachal history part, right? That's what I'm here for. So in that respect, one book I want you to understand is this thing. It's a handbook on Arunachal Pradesh, right? It has been written by Mr. Jackson Nilling, right? So this is one book where you get a lot of information regarding Arunachal history, the polity, the geography. So this handbook is very useful, especially when you are writing the preliminary exam. If you ask me where to buy it, you can get it from Akashdeep complex. In the Akashdeep complex on the ground floor near the SBI ATM, there is a bookstore, and you can very well get this. And this is a very recent version, not the old one. Even the 23 districts and very recent things that have also been incorporated into this book. And so this is a very good book if you want to study about the Arunachal history part and Arunachal geography and the things related to Arunachal. And and also then there is another book. If you are focusing when it comes to the mains, you need to write answers, right? So not only this, there is a book by Mr. D.P. Pandey, right? So he was a professor with RGU earlier. So he has also written a book on Arunachal's history. It's written in a very lucid language. So that book is also very much useful if you are preparing for the state PCS. So the preliminary, as you are aware that it has been postponed due to the COVID issue. It's going to happen in October. And at the same time, the pattern has also changed slightly. Now there is a general studies paper and CSAT paper, that's a qualifying paper, very similar to that of a UPSC pattern. Earlier the situation was different. You had an optional paper also in the preliminary phase. So here what we are going to understand, or what we are going to understand is like some of what is the method, what is the tips and trick, or what is the way to approach the preliminary exam. So in a very short term, what you can understand is like you need to approach preliminary exam in a way that you are going to approach UPSC along with certain facts and things that is related to Arunachal. So in this video, that is the reason why I particularly focused on this book, and I will also give you a slight idea on some of the important topics where they usually ask the questions from. So in the case of preliminary, things will be okay. See, even if you do not know much about Arunachal, if you have a good grasp on the traditional subjects, you will be able to crack. And when it comes to the mains, you consistently see from certain areas they try to ask questions. See, for example, I am just writing here, right? For example, say this, inner line and outer line. See, if you have gone through my channel, I have given a particularly taken some time to write about the inner line and outer line, inner line permit and all. If you check it, the video, you will be able to understand. And also there is the POSA system, inner line, outer line, POSA system you can find. Then you find at times tribal relations, right? For example, the Akka-Ahom relations. Right, and you can find at times you have find the Adi Kabang. Kabang is a tribal body of the Adi tribes, because Adi tribes were the tribes that in a way came into conflict with Britishers, right, rather than any other tribes. You find in 1911 there was the Anglo-Adi war. Right. So I'm not telling like only from here you will get questions. Obviously there are other topics like that of the Warrior Elwin and Jawaharlal Nehru. So you get questions on Warrior Elwin, Jawaharlal Nehru, how Warrior Elwin influenced the tribal activities of NEFA. So I am just writing a few things where you usually find some questions here and there. Right, the Posa system, which has been started by the home rulers, how it was continued by the British, right, and many of these things along with the tribal bodies also. You will see this Adi Kabang. You at times you get questions about the Wangchos, the Wangcho tribes. So many a times you get similar kind of questions, and along with that, when it comes to the polity part, you can just see that you may get questions on things like the, I am just giving an example here, like the Bordoloi Committee, the Dying-Earing Committee, So Bordoloi Committee in the 1950s and the Dying-Earing Committee in 1964. Bordoloi Committee was mostly on the boundary demarcation. Dying-Earing Committee was mostly on the Panchayat Raj reforms. So you get questions on that. Then also you find questions regarding the Aking Muru massacre that happened in 1953 with the Tagin tribes massacring a few people on the Assam Rifles. So you have certain things like that are there. At times you find in the question papers, but don't think that only from these areas you will only get questions. That will be a very wrong notion. You cannot just rely on that. But when you read Arunachal history part, make sure that you touch these areas. And since if you have seen the mains question paper, you will be very well aware of the fact that you do not need to answer all the questions. You have option to leave 1 or 2 questions, because within the set they will ask like answer 1 or 2, answer 2 or 3, something like that, right? So this is mostly what you find from Arunachal history part. And the book I have mentioned is like a D.P. Pandey book as well as the Jackson Nilling. And one more book that I want you to understand is about this philosophy for NEFA. So we have discussed about Warrior Elwin. Like Warrior Elwin, if you remember in my own channel, I have given a talk about this philosophy for NEFA, and this is also a book that you can read during the time of your mains. That will be helpful for you to frame good answers. So this is what I, in a nutshell, I wanted to tell about it, about the Arunachal history part and how you should prepare. So some of the books also I have just pointed out to you. And not only this, even from other areas, like for example in other areas also you find questions. For example, like you get questions on the Momoria rebellion. You get questions, right? Momoria rebellion, you get questions. And say like you get questions on the like Ahom British relations, right? Momoria rebellion, Ahom British relations, like Captain Hopkins, Assam expedition, Captain Hopkinson's Assam expedition. It is somewhere related with Momoria rebellions. Then you understand how the Assam Rifles were formed. So in many areas you get questions. And also other thing is like when it comes to the tribes. So since you are from people of Arunachal Pradesh who are mostly writing this exam, they will be mostly familiar about the tribes and the tribal festivals and all. But these are some of the important topics also that I wish to mention along with this, so that when you read the books you will have a very clear idea like which are the topics that you need to focus on more. That was a need of this discussion and this video. And in future, if things go well, I will be planning to have online classes so that you will be able to attend it in Zoom or in any other such platforms. We are planning for it because due to the lockdown situation, it will be very difficult for the live real-time classes. So online classes will be a way forward. So hopefully I will be doing that. But make sure that some of the topics that I have just mentioned, when you go through, these are the things that you should learn when it comes to the preliminary as well as the mains for the Arunachal State PCS. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching it, and please do subscribe my channel, share it among your friends. Thank you all.